Hello, second grade. This is a video about my calendar, which is behind me, and the job board, which is behind me over here. So, calendar. Let's talk about calendar. In the mornings, when you guys are in here and you're doing your morning work, at some point, you will be called back to sit on the carpet back here to talk about the calendar. So last year, I didn't do this with my class, but every other year I have. So I kind of have to remind myself on how to do it as long as you can help me out with it. So, you'll just go in number order. So the first day I think should be Paige that does this. So it's already done for today, but starting probably next week you'll want to do this. So somewhere I have a pointer finger, okay? So Paige's job will be to come back here and do it, and then she'll say it out loud to the class when it's time for that. So she'll come back here and get it ready first. So what Paige will do is she'll flip it to the right day. So the 19th she'd flip to red because that's the first day of school or whatever day it is. If it's the 23rd, you flip it to red. And you're going to flip these to the right days. So if it's Monday, you're going to say today's Monday. Right now, today's Thursday. Yesterday was Wednesday. Tomorrow's Friday. It's still summertime. If you want to do the weather, it's probably hot and sunny if I had to guess. So I'd put the sun and the guy sweating. I don't know. Whatever it is outside. Here are the days of the week, if you need them. Over here are the seasons, but you don't need to change the season yet. And up top is the month in the year, August in 2021, which you don't want to change that yet. And do you see over here where it says 1? Okay? The first day of school would be considered day 1, okay? And then it says standard form, which is just a normal 1. Looks like a regular number. And then it says word form. Spell it. How do you spell the word 1? O-N-E. Now, I don't know how to spell every single word ever, okay? But I have this cheat sheet here in case you need it. So, Miss Wilkins is not used to talking. Let me get a drink of water. So, on day 2, you would erase 111 and write 2, T-W-O, expanded form 2. Now, expanded form is boring until you get to the number 11. 11, it will start being 10 plus 1 because that's expanded form. So, expanded form really won't make any sense until you get to the number 11. So just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Starting at number 11, you would do 10 plus 1. And then 12 would be 10 plus 2, 10 plus 3, 10 plus 4. And Mrs. Fegley can help you with expanded form until you really get the hang of it. Once we get to the hundreds, it'll be really exciting because it'll be 100 plus 20 plus 1. That would be 121 days. That'd be like in the springtime, like when we're getting ready to get out of school again. So we'll just keep counting. These are how many days we've been in school. The last thing you have to do is add straws to your count. So here I have tons of straws. So every day we add a straw, add a straw, add a straw. When do we bundle them? We bundle them with a rubber band when we get to 10. So when there's 10 straws, we bundle them. So this would be like having 11 straws, right? We're not there yet, so just need 1, okay? So every day, a new person will come back here and write the things that need to be written down, flip the card, change out the days of the week. Now, when you're back here with the kids, everybody's sitting on the carpet and I'm the person that gets to go today, here's what I would say. So this is like me pretending to be a student right now. I would say today is August 19th, 2021. Today is Thursday. Yesterday was Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Friday. The season is summer. Standard form, 1. Word form, 1. Expanded form, 1. And I'm pretty much done at that point. So that's my job. If I'm the person back here, I have to get all of this ready before all the students come back and listen to me say it, okay? It will take a little bit, but by the time you guys do 20 days of this, it'll be easy peasy lemon squeezy. So that is calendar. Now let's talk about the job chart. So the job chart is right here, and I'm just going to kind of go over what the jobs are. And every week I rotate your names. So your names are going to be on these little flags, and I will put them up here on the clip so you know if you have a job this week, okay? First job is lunch count. Now, I don't know how we're going to do lunch count yet, but if there is a reason for someone to take the lunch count down to Miss Brittany, that is the lunch count person's job. If we don't do that this year, I will come up with plan B. But right now, that's what that means. Take the paper down to Miss Brittany. That's that job. Okay. Second one, library. Once Bookmobile gets started and you guys go out to the Bookmobile, that is when you would take the books out to return to her. Again, I'm not sure the way that's going to work this year, but that's what the job is. Bookmobile, library, same thing. Trash. At the end of the day, when it's time to clean up around the room, this person will go around and make sure that everybody's desk looks clean and clear, and below the desk there isn't anything on the floor. Messages. Sometimes I have you take things to the office if needs to be. That's that person. That's my messages. Door. Hold the door. Usually this is a big deal out at recess. You guys know the door slams shut. That person would hold the door. Door holder. That's an important job. Desks. Depending on what we do with the desks, I have some Norwex wipes, which I need to bring. They usually hang right over there on these hooks. But if we end up using Clorox wipes or end up using Norwex wipes, that's that person's job, is to clean up the desk. On the bottom, technology. Technology is iPads. Do the iPads need charged? They need to be taken down to the charger. Do need to be put back in the holder. That's that person's job. And the last one is pencils. Right here is my pencil sharpener. And sometimes pencils get piled up and need to be sharpened. That's that person's job. Okay, so you maybe won't do every job every day, but just so you know, you have a whole week to do these things, and then you switch jobs. So if you don't like whatever job you get, it's not going to last long. I switch them out. And like I said, with some of the stuff that we got going on this year, I don't know if some of these jobs will actually exist, but I will change them out if I need to. Okay, so be flexible with that. All right, that's it on the job chart and calendar. All right, thank you guys.